Hey, good morning everyone. It's Dave with Chewy's Backyard Farm. I'm out here in a balmy, I don't know, probably 20 degrees, 14 degrees. I don't know. It's been really cold, coldest of the year. And of course we're struggling with the cold, with water and keeping our animals, our chickens watered. At the same time, we're fighting a coyote, or a couple coyotes that keep coming through here, and they've already attacked one of my guineas. They tried to carry him off down into these woods down here that I'm about to try to do a little bit of clearing, have been. It's so cold, I wanted to come and just make sure my excavator started up and get it warmed up before I even attempted to do anything. So this may be a exercise in futility, because it may not start. But I'm going to give it a shot anyway, because these coyotes are coming through in the middle of the morning, about 9:30, 10 o'clock, and they think that this is a buffet for them. Well, it ain't. And I'm going to put a stop to them. I shot one this morning. I don't know if I got him or wounded him or not, but I know it made him move. I shot him with my 22. Hey, all you animal lovers, I'm sorry, they're coyotes. They're killing other animals. They're gone. I'll do whatever it takes to get rid of them. And I don't like to kill things, but I'll kill them bastards. Oh, sorry, I'll kill them animals. Anyway, so I think I hit him twice, but I hit him with 22, so it may have just wounded him. But he may or may not come back. When he comes back, he's going to get something larger. And his buddy, he had two of them now. His buddy's going to get something with him. I just got to make sure that I don't hit anything behind the coyote, like another house, piece of equipment, something like that. I don't really care about a tree, because that 270 will travel. But I don't really care about a tree or the dirt. But I want him to, his last thoughts to go through his head is a 270 lead. So anyway, come along with me for a little bit. I got a new toy I'm gonna play with, try to get some shots. We'll see how my skills do. But anyway, come along with this continuing adventure at Chewy's Backyard Farm, and yeah, watch us, like us, subscribe to us, click that notification bell as well, and yeah, just keep up what we're doing. And thank you for watching. Talk to you in a sec. Again, it's Dave, Chewy's Backyard Farm. I just wanted to finish up. I got the sun behind my back trying to warm me up here. I got the excavator started. I'm going to do a little piddling with this, trying to clear some land in this balmy, hot, 20-degree weather in here in Georgia. Winters in Georgia. But anyway, I've got out the new toy, the drone, so I can get some drone shots. It was just a few little minutes of me flying around, just to get the feel of it, start to learn how to do it. It didn't last as long because it's so cold, the voltage didn't last. So we're going to try to warm up a little bit, and then we're going to let this excavator still continue to get that hydraulic fluid hot, and then maybe knock out a few trees before I have to do something else this morning. it's just staying busy. So anyway, thanks for watching. Again, like us, subscribe us, follow us, click the icon, the like icon, click the subscribe. I'm gonna keep trying to make videos to try to keep you informed of the adventure that is Chewy's Backyard Farm, because heaven knows we nothing stays the same around here. So, and it's a big challenge, of course. You know, being a small farm in the winter, it's a huge challenge on top of predators. You know, another huge challenge, but hey, we're going to overcome. We're going to keep going and overcome, and keep providing our customers and the world good, clean, quality food. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.